Which car will outlast the Excavator? The drag truck. The BMW EM5. The Mercedes Class G.